This is bird poop. This is from John and Fran. This was like a nuclear bomb, their atomic bomb. This is after a rainstorm. I mean, can you imagine? Here's our house. I don't know if you can see our I took the shutters off. It's full of bees. We're gonna have a new color house. Stay tuned for a video of what color we're gonna paint the house. We're gonna be shutterless because there's about 100 bees behind there, and they didn't attack me. I was able to take the shutters off. I'll show you the shutters were here. Here's all the bees, combs and stuff from the shutters. There's more in the front, but we do need our bees. They pollinate, they make fruit. We no longer have the wood deck where the carpenter bees are attacking us, so there's always bees. This is the highlight of the video here. Like, that's a lot of shit. So, I don't see a bird's nest, and looking at the splatter, it's like I'm the bird poop police here. At first I thought it was John and Fran, but I think it's from this tree. So that's it. That's today's Sussex County video about bird poop and bee combs behind your shutters. And do you really need shutters anyway? Over and out.